Ever wonder why truly wealthy people seem to make consistently smart financial decisions? It's not just strategy, it's emotional intelligence at work. Wealthy individuals harness self-awareness to guide their spending. Instead of impulsively buying the latest gadget or indulging in fleeting desires, they pause and recognize the emotions driving their urge to spend. This pause is powerful. They ask, is this purchase feeling a genuine need or just a temporary emotional gap? By identifying whether they're stressed, bored, or seeking validation, they avoid decisions they'll later regret. Emotional intelligence also means understanding triggers, whether it's social pressure, advertising, or even boredom, that push people to spend unconsciously. The wealthy use this awareness to align every financial choice with their long-term values and goals. This doesn't mean they never splurge. It means they do so intentionally, not reactively. Integrating emotional intelligence into financial decisions transforms spending from a reaction to a reflection, building not just wealth but lasting financial security.